Hi everyone, welcome back to Plant Boy. My name is Cade. I hope you're doing well. This is your daily reminder that you should be drinking lots of water and taking care of yourself. Today we are going to be unboxing an Alocasia Black Velvet. I ordered this from Steve's Leaves a few days ago. This has been sitting out on my porch for about 2 days now, and the heat, I just brought it in today as I just got home from a little trip away. Kind of poor order timing on my part, but we're just going to unbox this and see what lies within. Granted, I already did cut the top of the box up. I actually took it out just like this earlier, and then I said to myself, no, we're gonna have to unbox this on camera for everyone to see. So the packaging seems very great so far. Steve's Leaves, I will have their website linked below, is a very reputable plant seller here in the US. They're based out of Texas. This is not sponsored, but I've always heard very good things about them. I would have ordered more plants from them. However, they didn't really have many other plants that I was looking for at the time. They do have like variegated monsteras and things like that, and more rare house plants that they do auction off. However, those go for lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of money. So I just steered clear and I just picked some from something that they had, and this would be my first time ordering from Steve's Leaves, so let's see how this goes. The packaging is very nice so far. I'm going to try to open it up to you so we can see the same thing here. Ooh, I'm starting to see a little leaf peek out here. Oh, this is so exciting. All right, and there it is. Oh, awesome. Look at that. This is gorgeous. This is a gorgeous plant. The packaging looks impeccable. The foliage is super, super healthy. It has some new growth on it as well, which we can see here. Very great packaging. So I'm going to try to remove this plastic bag around the inside of the soil. Now, we did have some hot days here where I'm at, and like I said, this plant was sitting out on the porch for 2 days, so I was a little bit concerned that this plant may have overheated in that box and not done too well over that period of time, but I see now, you know, nature is very resilient and I should not have been worried about that in the slightest. Okay, so behind that plastic bag, we have the nursery pot with the plant in it, and then we have a relatively moist piece of paper here to keep the soil wet and nice. And something that's also very interesting about Steve's Leaves is that they have the identification tags here as well. I don't see that from too many online nurseries or plant shops, and I definitely really appreciate that. Definitely very impressed with the packaging and the condition of this plant for it being shipped and in a box for about a week now. Actually 6 days. It shipped out on Monday. I'm filming on Sunday, and sitting on a hot porch for 2 consecutive days. This plant has done very, very well. The soil is consistently moist, not wet. Yeah, Steve's Leaves is killing it. Alocasias are a little bit more of a finicky houseplant. I'm going to hope to do my best with this. We will see. Stay tuned for a care guide for this specific plant. As I learn more about it, I will release a care guide here shortly, but I hope that you enjoyed this kind of little unboxing. If you are thinking of ordering from Steve's Leaves, I hope that this may have put a little bit of peace in your mind as to the quality of their packaging and their plants, and just the general experience with the company as well. So overall, very pleased with the purchase. Very, very healthy plant. And I thank every one of you for sticking around and watching the content. I hope you enjoyed the quick little unboxing video. I will see you all in the next video. Bye everyone.